Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now I am going to explain the program for the matrix addition and subtraction using the operator overloading. In the initial steps I have used the basic coding, include IO stream using namespace standard Conio. Following to that I have declared a class matrix within which in private consists of long. M is the matrix array consisting of 5 rows and 5 columns. Then I have declared the variables row column. In public void get data, in int operator assignment addition and minus, friend ostream and operator where the ostream address and matrix address are as the actual arguments. An integer matrix scope resolution operator is used to call the assignment operator. Following this, in the if row is assigned the value of cm row and column is assigned the value of cm column, then it returns 1, else returns 0. In matrix get data function is called, within which it's asking enter the number of rows which is inserted as row, enter number of columns inserted as column, and enter the elements of the matrix. Int I is equal to 0, I less than row, I plus plus. Another for loop within this for where integer j is initialized to 0, condition being j less than the column value j plus plus. Scene through which the m and I and j are the number of rows and columns respectively are entered. Following to this, matrix operator plus is called, within which matrix temp is there, and for loop is used where I is initialized to 0, I less than 0 and I plus plus. Within this, another for loop where again j is initialized to 0, j less than the column value in j plus plus. In temp, mij is equal to mij plus am dot mij is added and is stored. According to this, in the temp row, the row value is assigned and column value is assigned to temp column. Then the return temp is sent. Now the operator subtraction, that is the minus operator, is used. There is matrix as variable temp. For int I is equal to 0 and I less than row I plus plus. And for int j is equal to 0, condition being j less than the column value j plus plus, which the temp assigning the matrix ij is equal to the matrix ij and subtracting the sm dot mij. Then the temp row gets the value of the row and temp column gets the value of the column, and the temp variable is returned. The last operator poststream address fault and matrix address d, within which in for int I is equal to 0, I less than the d column and I plus plus, within which another for loop where is int j is equal to 0, j less than d dot column j plus plus, in which d dot mij, then you see a word space is given. Once getting out of this loop, it shifts to the next line using handle, and coming out of both the for loops, return values f4. Coming to the main function, matrix has 4 variables m1, m2, m3, m4. m1 get data, m2 get data, 2 times its get data function is called. If m1 is equal to m2, m3 is equal to m1 plus m2, m4 is equal to m1 minus m2. Cout is the addition of matrices, the result is Cout m3, the result is printed. Next, subtraction of matrices will be printed and the result is printed C4. Else, order of the input matrices is not identical. Now I will show the output. Number of rows I give it as 2, number of columns I give it as 2, elements of the matrix 3, 4, 5, 6. For the next matrix, number of rows again 2, number of columns again 2, elements being 6, 7, 8, 9. Now addition of the matrix, the result is resultant matrix, and subtraction of the matrix is resultant. Thank you.